If you are a fan of Fannie May candies, then you know about the iconic Pink Peppermint Ice that was discontinued. But today I'm showing you how to make your own Pink Peppermint Ice candies at home with completely organic ingredients. Start by chopping 226 grams of white chocolate. You can temper the chocolate if you would like by adding 80% to a heat-proof bowl. Melt using a double boiler until it reaches 100 degrees on a chocolate thermometer. Then remove it from the heat and add in the remaining 20% and stir to combine completely. Allow the chocolate to come down to 89 degrees before using. If you don't want to temper it, simply add all the chocolate into a heat-proof bowl and melt in 30-second intervals in the microwave, making sure to stir between each one. Once the chocolate is melted, add a quarter teaspoon of beet powder and a quarter teaspoon of peppermint extract and mix to combine. Last, add in 50 grams of crushed candy canes and stir to combine completely. You'll need a square silicone candy mold to make the iconic shape, and I'll link mine in the description. I'm only filling these molds halfway so they are not too thick. This makes them the exact size of the iconic candy. Once you've filled the molds with all the chocolate, make sure to bang the tray against the counter a little bit to remove any air bubbles and even out the chocolate. Then transfer the tray to the freezer to set. This will only take about 30 minutes. Once the candy is set, you can easily pop them out of the molds and they are ready to enjoy. This homemade candy is an exact copycat of Fannie Mae Candy's Pink Peppermint Ice. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. For more nostalgic candy makeovers with organic ingredients, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.